Magandang umaga, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Ito po ang breakfast ng Mother Account Foundation dito po sa Nueva Ecija. Ayan po. Ayan po si Overall Chairman Rizal de Galicia ng Mother Account Foundation and solo signatory Ma'am Lydia Isguera ng Mother Account Foundation. Ito po ay breakfast naganap dito sa Nueva Ecija. Ayan po. Ayan. Good morning. Good morning.
All officers and members.
Okay, wait.
Good morning, good morning.
Morning breakfast.
Good morning.
Okay.
Kain po tayo. Morning.
Yes. Ayan po ang mga officer.
Kain tayo.
Kain po tayo, officers and members.
Yan.
Sir Joey, wala. Hello po, good morning po.
Ito po ay breakfast.
Good morning sa buong mundo.
Yun.
Morning. San Juan.
Good morning po, good morning.
Okay.
Kain tayo, kain.
Breakfast tayo. Important meal of the day.
Okay, good.
Isa. Jose.